Welcome back to the Bang Buffet. We're back at the range, and we've got some fun stuff today. Codwell was nice enough to send us a lot of cool launchers. They sent us a clay launcher, their copter launchers, the handheld ones, the ground to air. This thing's dope. Cool app that connects to it. And what better way than to shoot clays than with a Gen 12? Genesis sent us their new Gen 12. We got some 10-round mags, a drum mag, a lot of fun, cool shotgun shells that we're going to try out. And we have a special guest with us today as well.
Oh, hi. I don't know if open-toe shoes are allowed at the range, but it's my range, so we're okay.
It's Matt's range. He can do whatever he wants here. We got Matt Best with us here today, and we're going to shoot a bunch of fun stuff, and you're along for the ride, so strap in.
Strap on.
Or strap on, if you've got one handy. We're going to give it a little test shot and see where we're at, and Matt's ready to go as well.
I'm no pew view, so I'm definitely going to miss it. Maybe I still got it. First try, baby.
First fucking shot.
I'm putting the gun away for the rest of the day.
Just go home.
I'm done. I'm fucking done.
That couldn't have been.
I'm taking my sandals off.
Any fucking better, dude. Holy shit. Well, we're not topping that for the rest of the day. So, hope you guys enjoyed that fucking 30 seconds of this video. We're done. Okay, we're going to try out the Gen 12, see how she does. Launch. 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 Is that a 2-for-1? Okay. A twofer? Seems like we've got it pretty well dialed in now, so let's fire a few and have some fun. Ah. Another 2-for-1. Gen 12. Ooh, what a beauty. This is like literally my dream shotgun. We've got a little riser coming soon, so we can raise this up a little bit and put a laser on the front, and then it's gonna be money, dude. Hey-oh. Oh. Hey-oh.
I don't think I got him.
Pretty fun. So the Codwell launcher has a nice little remote that we have attached to our shotgun here. Got a perfect little launcher. And we're going to launch them at ourselves and shoot them out of the air. Here we go. Let's give it a little test fire here and see where it's at. This thing's really sore, huh? Huh, that's a good spot. We can get that. Ooh, right there. That's where we want it. Okay. I believe we're ready for a real fire. Got him. How did we miss that? That's pretty dope though. Like some tactical training going on. Being attacked by drones. Damn. Sometimes it's like, surprise.
That wind picks it up.
Yeah. Dude, this is pretty dope. I might have it on random or something because it keeps changing its variations of how quick it speeds it up. What happened? Almost.
Got one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got it.
Easy. Easy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Shit! Oh, fuck.
Instantly.
Sliced your shit. Yeah, do not do this at home.
I guess we'll do one more.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, fuck. That's crazy.
Oh, two of them. Damn, I didn't know you did two.
That was it. Man, dude.
Yeah, I got you, dude.
It's nothing.
That's monkey, dude. Just happened to you? That's monkey. As Cord says. Shout out Cord. Cord is loud. I'm sure you follow him on YouTube as well. I wanted it by me. I was afraid to shoot the target thing there for a second.
Yeah.
It's like so in line with it. Alright, let's get it going. Oh shit! Oh, shit. Oh fuck! Yeah, I like how sometimes it aims at your face. Like now! Woo! Don't worry, Brent. I'll protect you.
Okay.
I'm going for the twofer. God be with me. Ah, woo!
Holy shit.
Don't worry, Brent. You're safe, buddy. A little scary, dude. Dude, okay, so real. If one of those were to hit you directly in your erect wiener, what do you think would happen?
Frankenstein. I'd cut your shit up.
It's a propeller.
Yeah.
It's going right into like a flying propeller.
It's getting wounded.
You're getting new circumcised, ultra circumcised,
Yeah.
if not just completely gone.
Yeah.
You gotta protect that peener when you do this stuff. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, we survived with, minor wounds. Brent. Fill out some paperwork for this one, huh?
It's gonna cost you. It's gonna be.
Yeesh. Thank you, Genesis Gen 12. This thing friggin' rules. A lot of fun stuff to film with this in the works. So yeah, you're gonna see this on many more videos. Thanks, Matt, for coming down and just one-upping us immediately and then peacing out, just kind of shitting on us immediately. Classic, dude. What the fuck? Thank you, Codwell, for all the launchers that you've sent and all the targets. We got a lot of fun stuff to film for them as well. This thing friggin' rules. Connect it to your phone. It's got the little button. You can just press the buttons on the back of the thing. Super fun. They can launch like 200 yards? These things fly, dude. It is nuts. Don't recommend you do it this way for legal reasons, but you can if you're stupid like us. And always go get my Milk Chugger merch, my Grizzly Puncher merch. The links are in my bio. Helps out a ton. Helps me pay this guy to film everything. So that's what we want to do. And again, we'll see you guys next time on Bang Buffet.